Affiliate Millionaire, how to begin affiliate marketing and the secret to get the sale. Hey, it's Mark here, and in today's Affiliate Millionaire in 2 minutes, we're going to talk about how to begin affiliate marketing. And in a moment, I'll reveal the secret of how you can get the sale as an affiliate. So the quickest way to get started with affiliate marketing is to find a product that is already selling well, and find the audience that is buying it and get in front of them. How do you find what is selling well? Most affiliate networks or merchants have ways you can see what their top sellers are. On Amazon, this is the bestsellers list and ranks. On ClickBank, it is the Gravity Store. On other networks have similar. Then you build a website with content reviewing, comparing, or discussing the product and have links where people can click to purchase. How do you find the people who want to buy the product? The fastest way is by doing some paid advertising on Google, Bing, and other search engines. You do some research to find what search terms people are using. You create an ad that highlights the benefits of the product and directs people to your site to get more information and to purchase. You pay a small amount anytime someone clicks on your ad. So earlier I mentioned I would share the big secret on how you can make the sale as an affiliate. Buy and use the product before promoting it. When you do, you will learn all the ins and outs and what is good and bad about the product. Then, when you share this information with your audience, you will be genuine and they will be more likely to trust you and then ultimately take action from your recommendation. That is how easy it is to build trust and get the sale. If you like these quick hit internet marketing videos, please click the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. In the next video, we'll discuss the ethics of internet marketing and unethical approaches to avoid. See you then.